This is the TELESIN power bank grip, and it's a nice little grip. So you pop your, your camera on there. Let's see, which one do we want to use here? It is quarter thread, so if with a 12, you could just pop it on without that. But you do want the ability to be able to move it up and down, like to angle it. So we're gonna keep this. So this is it right here. Some big, huge benefits to it. It's massive. Like, it's not heavy, but it's kind of heavy duty. Feels good in your hand. You can use this as like, your vlogging stick, and then you can plug it in and it will be charging up your GoPro like so. You can see it charging. And it has indicator lights. It has a quarter thread on the bottom, so you can put it on tripod legs or something like that. And check this out. So it's also a selfie stick, and a rather long one too. So you can get a really good vantage point. And because the cord goes through that, you can be charging while it's fully extended. Interesting choice of words, but that's what I said. Okay, basically it's gonna extend your battery life a lot longer. You could even have the battery completely out and have it plugged in case you just want to, if you're worried about it overheating or something.